Hello and welcome, it's Jeanette the Crafty Hobbit. This is a before and after story for the courtly Mantle clock. I picked this piece up and the open style back is the original design, it's not damaged. Was able to go in and replace the clock mechanism with an entirely new piece. And hashtag don't watch me paint. The transformation of painting it was 3 base coats and then lay out the check pattern. Once those are on, cap it off with vintage gold trim to bring it personality, depth, and a pop. And the end result was just amazing. It turned out beautiful, and it's going to look great on someone's mantle. I want you to take a look at the staging and let me know what you think.